Welcome to another installment of loyalnsave training. In this session, we'll be covering how to create an EAIV auto-trigger coupon campaign. To navigate to the Campaigns module, click on Loyalty, Campaigns, EAIV Coupon, Electronic Age and Identity Verification. The primary purpose of EAIV coupons is to ensure that only eligible customers who meet the minimum age requirement can access certain discounts or offers. This is particularly important for products that are age-restricted, such as alcohol and tobacco. Customers will receive a coupon for a discount such as a percentage off or $1 off, or a free item when they complete the Altria survey and requirements. Under the trigger type, select Auto Trigger. Reward type, click on the drop-down and select EAIV Coupon. Under the Details tab, click on the Name field. This field will be visible both on the app and web portal. Under the Description section, this will explain the rules of the campaign to the customer. This will be visible both on the app and web portal. Age-verified members get an exclusive discount. As a verified member, enjoy a special discount. Complete the Altria survey and verification process to receive an exclusive coupon for a discount or a free item on qualifying purchases. Redeem in-store or through the app. Restrictions apply, only available for age-verified customers. In the Age-Restricted Topics field, select Age-Restricted Products. This will only provide alerts to customers that are age-verified. Next, click on the Coupon tab. Enter in the coupon name. Coupon type. In the drop-down, you will see there are 3 different types. Dollar amount off. This discount provides a fixed monetary reduction for the total purchased amount. Free item. By selecting this coupon type allows the customer to receive a specific item at no cost. Percentage off. This coupon reduces the cost by a certain percentage. In this example, we will be selecting percentage off. Your coupon value, here you will enter in the percentage amount off. In our example, we'll be entering 10%. Header lines. This will appear bold on the coupon. You can add up to 3 header lines. It pays to be loyal. Text lines. You can add up to 5 lines. In this section, we'll explain the rules for the coupon. You've earned a coupon for 10% off on a single item on your next purchase. Expiration type. From here, you have 3 options. Never expires. The coupon will never expire. Static date. From here, you can designate an expiration date and time. Days after issue. From here, you can indicate how many days this coupon will be valid. Once per sale. This limits how many coupons can be used to the customer on a single transaction. To toggle this off, you can click on Yes, proceed with Unlimited, and you can enter in the max coupons that can be used per transaction. 0 indicates an unlimited amount of coupons can be used. We recommend toggling once per sale. This restricts only 1 coupon to be used per transaction. Expiration notification. This will send a notification to the customer 10 days before the coupon expires. Manage coupon filters. By toggling this on, means that your customers can use the coupon for all products in the store. If you would like to set a restriction, toggle the Yes to No. From the drop-down, select your coupon filters. You can either enter in a blacklist or a whitelist, or a combination of both. In this example, we will select a blacklist department. Add filter. Click on Manage. Enter in the department you wish to restrict. Select the department from the results. Then click on Apply. Then click Save and Close. This concludes our training session for EAIV Coupon Auto Trigger Campaign.